Alright, here we go. Ready? Get your motor running. Head on the highway. Looking for adventure. And whatever comes my way. PK here with Out of the Box. And the name of the show today is, if I can see something, Are All Us Traders the Wild Ones? That's the name of the show. We got born to be wild, and that's who we are. Us traders are born to be wild. That's right, you guys. Here we are, back from the fitness. Let's get this microphone attached on correctly so I can get into place here. There we go, you guys. Anyway, back from the fitness. The name of the show is, as I mentioned before, Are All Us Traders the Wild Ones in the family? Me, just this crazy camera. Here we go. And look, it's real simple. You gotta be crazy if you think you can sit home and trade and make money sitting in your underwear. I mean, what kind of life is this? But let me tell you, you guys know, this is the life. Who needs to get in a car and drive on the freeway and go to work? We want to sit home and comfortable in our clothes, whatever it is, your bathing suit, your comfortable clothes. This is what it is. This is the wild lifestyle of being a trader. One of the great benefits now that we have. Let me just have a sip of my protein shake. I'm trying to come down. I'm still shaking. Remember, I had C4, worked out in the morning. I'm full of power. Okay, guys. One other thing. Oh my God, I need my cigarette. I'm shaking. All right. Well, let's see. What else I want to tell you about? Look. For all of you who want to have a career as a trader, believe me, don't forget I'm 62. Okay, look at me. Going to the fitness, have the protein shake, smoking. Look, don't recommend it, but all of us have, none of us are perfect. I've told you that before. We all have some bad habits. Anyway, what I want to tell you is the following. Is, number one, I'm telling you, it's going to hit you guys in your 20s or 30s. Believe me, trade constantly for 5 years or more. This one all starts going to hit you, which is, I mentioned before, one, you're going to start losing sleep. Two, maybe when you're 40, you hit 40, the blood pressure pills are coming. I'm not joking about that, but this is why. Number three is you better go to the fitness, because if you go to the fitness in the morning, I guess depending on where you live, the time zone, or take a break, this will give you the power, the energy to stare at those screens, right? Because let's face it, us traders really are, we're the wild ones. We're like the black sheep of the family. Look, I'm saying most of us, I'm sure, on the outside, you might look conservative, but inside, you guys know the feeling. You got to be crazy to want to be a trader, but that's who we are. We love being a trader. We're the real wild ones. That's why I love the song "Born to Be Wild." It's back in the day from the movie Easy Rider. So, what I'm going to tell you before the crazy gardener comes, let me put the cigarette down. Listen. So the question is, what of you of my trading friends are the wild ones? Who are you wild? Number one, you guys who are stackers in that gold and silver group. And the reason why I think you guys are the wild ones of the gold and silver group is because, look, you got to be wild/crazy to have this thinking, this quote out of the box thinking that everything's going to go to hell in the next year or two. And I know we not discuss reasons, but look, I respect you because you really are taking it to the max. You put it all on the line. You think it's going to happen. I might disagree. It doesn't matter what the hell I think. But I think you guys are the wild ones of the gold and silver group. You guys are the real stackers. I admire you. In fact, here's a cigarette to you. Hey, congratulations. Let's go to the next group. Now let's talk about my other group, which is more closer to who my heart and soul is, my day trading friends out there, who sit there every day, whether you got one screen, two screens, how many screens are sitting around at your desk or in front of your bed. Look, again, you got to be wild. You got to be crazy in some sense. You have to be a little bit off the beaten path to think you're going to sit home and stare at these screens and try to make money and really make your best effort. And believe me, you can do it. You look at someone who's been doing 35 years, not so much day trading, but I've done long term. I've done now for the last 15 years, 1 to 4 days. 1/3 of my trades are day trades. But let me tell you, my day trading friends out there, look, you guys qualify. You're in the group with me, okay? So you're younger. You'll turn into me one day, believe me. I want you guys to last. I want you guys to succeed. And the third group is who else? It's my option friends. Look, I've told you before, options, take the most skill. They take the most skill to be a successful option trader. But who are the wild ones in the option group? You guys know, who it is? It's all you guys out there buying calls. For instance, how about that GameStop yesterday or AMC, any of these Wall Street bet stocks? This takes some real blank, I don't want to say the word, I'll get thrown off the YouTube, to buy these calls. But you see, if you hit it, you can really make some big money. So I think you got to be, a little bit out there, a little bit crazy, a little bit wild, to take these trades, because let's call it what it is. It's a form of gambling. You guys who are spreaders and selling puts and selling calls and trying to make some income or cover calls, this is a more traditional cover strategy. And so, listen, my friends out there, you guys who are buying, it's really the calls. You can say the puts haven't been too successful because the market keeps going up. But look, there'll be some opportunity. But I really respect you guys in the option group, again, who are buying these calls, taking that risk, because you know what? At least if you hit it, it could be a life-changing thing. And this is what I like. I'm all about 10 to 1, 15 to 1, 20 to 1 going for home runs. And you guys buying these calls in the option group, especially on these Reddit stocks, as I mentioned, the GameStop, AMC, the whole list. I wish I was in it myself. I don't have a stock account. I'm a futures trader. But I do admire you and I respect you. Manage the risk. So you have enough chips in your account to continue trying. And you see, we saw it again yesterday. These things are going to happen. And again, how long is this opportunity going to last with this Wall Street bets? Don't think this could last forever. We don't know what's going to happen. Look, we keep losing all our freedoms in this life. So you got to grab the opportunity now. This is why PK, I'm all pissed off at myself and doing it. So anyway, that's what I want to talk about. Quick sip of this protein shake. Listen, you see I'm shaking here with so much energy. I'm so excited for all of us who are in, we are the wild ones, you guys. So this PK, with out of the box, let's all make some money. Let's see what happens this week with the market. The market's going to hold up here. Are we going to crack down? I see the Bitcoins come off a little bit. Maybe it'll be a good buy. Maybe we're coming down for some retracement. Let's see what happens. PK with out of the box. Ciao, everybody. Wish you a great day. Hey, make some money too.